Welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point by Kasturi Pradeep Kumar. Okay, today, so before going to this, everyone, those who are watching my viewers and for all, wish you a very happy new year and bye bye to 2020. Okay, coming to our class, guys, in the previous video, we discussed on try this exercise, right? So today we are going to discuss the same topic and we'll continue the same topic. Okay, so this is exercise try this, page number 40, SSC for class 10th. Topic is sets. Okay, what is given, guys, here? If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then find A union B and A intersection B. And what do you notice about this result? Okay, what do you notice about this result? Now, first write out what is given in the sets. What are the given sets here? Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have to find A union B and A intersection B. And what do you notice? We have to find these three questions in the same question. This is a essay type question, guys. These type of questions will be expected for your board exam. Okay, now let's solve. A union B. What is set A given? 1, 2, 3, 4 union. What is set B given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now write down all the elements. What is a union indicates? Union indicates the combining all the elements from set A to set B. But as a result, we don't take the repeated value in the set, right? So we'll take only the distinct values. So let's see. So here 1 is repeated in 2 times from the both the sets. So I have written here 1, 1. 2 is repeated 2 times. So 2, 2. 3 is repeated 2 times. Okay, even 4 also repeated 2 times. Now remaining this also you have to write. Non repeated terms also you have to mention here. Now, as I said, in set we have to take only the distinct elements, not the same elements. We have to eliminate the same elements. If not it was repeated, we have to eliminate those. So what are the elements we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But these elements are same like set B only, right? Therefore, A union B is equal to B, guys. A union B equal to B. Understood? Now coming to second one, that is A intersection B. Write down what is set A? 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection. And what is B set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what intersection indicates? What is a common element among both the sets? Okay, those elements we have to pick up. In this 1, 2, 3, 4 is a common element among both the sets. So pick only those elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 is repeated in the set A and 1, 2, 3, 4 is repeated in the set B also. So what are the non-repeated terms we can eliminate? So we get 1, 2, 3, 4 in nothing but the set A. We get the result as 1, 2, 3, 4, but in nothing but the set A only, right? Therefore, A intersection B equal to A. Understood? Now coming to third one, they are asking to find what do you notice. We notice that when we perform the union of two sets, if A is subset of B, if A is a part of B, see here students, if A is a part of B, these elements are present in B also. If these type of situations are happen, then what we get? See here, if A is a part of B, then we get the result as B only. When we are performing A union B and A is a part of B or A is a subset of B, then we get the result as B. Okay. Coming to second one, we notice that when we perform intersection of two sets, if A is subset to B, then we get the result as A. Okay, same combination, but here we have to use with union, here we have to use with intersection. See here, when we are performing intersection of two sets, okay, where A is a part of B, the elements of A is present in the set of B, okay, then we get set A only. Both are exactly opposite. When we are talking about the union, we get the larger set. When we are talking about the intersection, we get the small set. Understood? So please go through this sum once again. This type of model they may ask in exam and also expected question expected. So please practice this type of sums and please comment me in the video whichever you are feeling hard or any tricky. Okay, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.